Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about joiner transformation in Informatica Power Center. So this is the video lecture 35 of this Informatica class series. So let's see about the joiner transformation. So the joiner transformation is active and connected transformation. So active, that means number of rows that passes through the joiner transformation that directly change throughout the mapping. And the next is, with the help of joiner transformation, we can join the two sources. So sources can be different or can be same. So here we can join the data from same or different source. We can join the data from of two flat files, and here relational and flat files we can join the data. So let's see. So first here mapping designer, that's going to open, and going to create there one new mapping. So m underscore joiner. So thereafter, let's here you can see this is a flat file, this is a HR database, and this is your target. Now thereafter, the next is here. So we can join the same sources. So let's see here. This is HR, here employees. Employees tracking inside there, and now let's use their departments. Okay, departments. So here you can see on this preview data the record of this employees. Here you can see department ID is the column. This place department ID. So this value is now there inside the department ID, and thereafter here on this departments column. So department ID, there is also present. So with the help of department ID, that's present in two different sources. So here this is present in employees and department tables. So with the help of department ID, we can join these two tables. So here this is the icon for the joiner transformation, and let's select this all, and here this is a joiner. And when you here select this, so here you can see detail source that's come there. So about the detail source and the master source, there I will create separate video for the detailed explanation about this detail and the master source. Now you can see the two table here. So this are two table, employees and departments. So this all ports here, this is for employees and this is for departments. Thereafter, if I click there, here you can see the ports. So here first source, that is here considered for the detail, and here second source, that's considered for the master. M is there master. So this all ports are there. After that, here you can see department ID, the common column between these two. So here this all properties inside there. So by default join type is normal, and about the join type, this all I will discuss in my later video. And here you can see this all. Thereafter, let's go on this condition. There we need to give the condition. So department ID, that's come from master, and this here detail. So here this is employee ID, department ID, this not matching any values, so that here selecting department ID. So thereafter, when you select here, if you go on this, here you can see join condition, this is the condition. And make sure that if you are going to join the two columns, so data type should be same. So here you can see this is decimal, and decimal string, this won't work. After that, click on this apply, OK. And thereafter, let's take there the target table. This is the target, and now here, so a few ports are unnecessary, so that here removing this here, this is email, that's not required, and phone number, this is unnecessary, and the next is here hire date, removing and commission packed. Okay. After that, according to required port, you can select. Let's select this all. Now stabilize the link. So save that. Mapping is valid here. After that, let's click on this workflow manager. So workflow manager here, taking the session and here M joiner 1, and let's double click there. Then you can see here mapping. So this or that's come from HR connection, and this also no need to change here. This is so this also that's from HR. The same source that I'm using at the first tab. Okay, and let's truncate, and this is a join condition. You can see this all property inside the joiner. Let's stabilize the link. Now save that. After that, start the task. So when you start the task, then this succeeded. Thereafter, here this is the task detail, and here source starts statics. So on this, so SQ implies total rows are 107 and department 27 is there. And here on this target that's applied 106 record. And this take here this byte of data. Okay, so this here 107 and 27 only matching record. If you select here normal join, so this return only matching record. So when you select there normal join, so only matching record that display the output. Okay, so here this is the normal join. So if you let's see the record inside there. So this come from HR, and now you can see here. One second. So this is now. So here this is call 7 content department ID for employees, department ID that's for department table. 90-90 match, 60 match, here 100 match. So only matching value that returning the output. Okay. So the next is let's select this all, deleting this all. Thereafter, so this here same source that I used. Now thereafter I'm going to use their different sources on this relational table. So selecting there here, let's select this place employees, and they're going to select the department. And here if I go on this, so this come from escort. So here we need to give the connection detail escort, and this here escort. Let's give the password. Then you can see this is the record inside the EMP table. So DPT number, this all values is there. And on the second source, if I go on this preview editor, so this come from HR. So that we need to select here HR and give their password. So here you can see department ID is there 1020. So this value is now 1020, that also that's present on this DPT number on this employee. So on this basis of department and department ID going to join the two tables. So let's use the joiner and taking this source. So this consider, so when you join the first terms from the source, this consider as the source data type. And if you take this consider as a master type. Thereafter, without changing anything, without doing any change, let's go on this, and connection must be given. So let's here select DPT number. Now our department and DPT number, that is the condition. Thereafter, let's take the target. So our target is there, selecting this all, and now selecting this all. Thereafter you can see this selected, and one second, so this is here join and this. Okay, so thereafter the next is let's save that, and on the session we need to do the refresh. So refresh, save, and now we need to give your connection detail. So this is mapping this SQ that's come from a Scott database. So two different database that's going to join. So this come from HR, and this here HR, this dummy that's for HR, and let's give you normal, and to if table has previous record, with the help of this remove, and this here the join condition, department ID, DPT number, that should be same. So now let's save that and start the task. So start the task, then you can see. So this succeeded without any problem, and here task and here source. Now you can see EMP, that is 14 rows, department has 27 rows, and applied 40s. Applied 40s only there. Okay. And let's check the output on this target. So here this come from HR. Now you can see there. So this is here the output after joining these tools. So 10-10 match, 10 match here, this match. So 10 match, then 20 match, 30 match, and according to matching value that's returning there. Say 10, 20, 30 only matching record that's displaying there. Okay. And if I go on this department preview data, say 10, 20, 30, and this here HR. So here you can see 20, 20, 30, only this or three that match, and other are not matching, so that this is rejected. Okay. So this here when you use normal join. After that here two different source that I used. Then after let's select and detail the list, and then after I'm going to join the or two. One is file and one is relational table. So let's take the DPT, and this here you can see DPT number, and there if I go there on this port, here you can see DPT number. So this the file properties is there. So since let's check the output, sorry, check the data inside the file. So we need to select here triple dot, click on this triple dot, then all files, and here this the EMP is the file. There's CSV tab, and here you can click on this. Here you can see this is the record inside the EMP. So here you can see DPT number that present on this DPT number. So both file and the table has common column DPT number. And here you can see this hire date or this format is there, DDMFYY. So first here we need to give properties. This is now DDMMYY. And now let's use their join. So you can make any, if you take their first source, so this consider as the detail source, and here after the next is this is now the second table is there, this is the, so first is detail, this is master. Now let's go there. This here you can see there is no any condition, so let's give here condition there. So EMP here DPT number, and thereafter click on this apply, OK, and there I'm going to take the target. So target is there, and there is now this here, select this all and save that. Thereafter next is refresh this session, save the session, and then after so let's click on this edit, this mapping here, this EMP that is the file, so we need to give their file location. So this the EMP and file location is there on this desktop, and here let's give the file location of this EMP. and SQ DPT that come from escort. So let's give you a escort dummy this and change by to normal, and let's use the truncate. After that, apply OK. This done here, save that, and now this time going to join the flat file, and the next is, so here you can see this is the flat file. So flat file EMP 15 rows, SQDPT 5 rows, and after joining here 15 rows, that's applied there. So this is how we can join this to a flat file and the directory table. Thereafter here file 2 has this record and dname is there this values, and on this file 3, so this record and dname here this values. So going to join these two files this times. So here let's select this and removing, and here you can see file 2 to flat file joining with the help of joiner transformation. And let's take the joiner here, selecting this all, and there we can select this all. So if the column is the same, then joiner transformation automatically here give the unique column name. Thereafter, this time going to give the condition, not with the numeric, with here dname. So dname 1 and dname there. Okay. So here this times a string comparison that's going to do there. And after that, let's take the target and selecting this all, and let's save that. And thereafter, let's go on this session. We need to do the refresh of this session. Save that, double click there, or click on this edit here mapping. So we need to give here this file location. So this is here source file directory, we need to give there. So this is the location of this file. Second file location we need to give. So this done here, let's use the dummy, and this is now making normal, and thereafter truncate, and here that's done. Let's save that. Now let's start the task. I start the task, then you can see this succeeded, and if I go there, so here first file SQ file 2, this has 2 rows and this has 3 rows, and common rows is the only one, so that one that's displaying there. So let's check the output inside the, and here you can see this is according to dname that's comparing here. So cells on this cells is the common column between these two. Here you can see cells, this here cells, so that here on the basis of cells, on the basis of dname, that's joining this two file. So with the help of joiner transformation we can join different sources. So this is the best thing about the joiner transformation. Okay, and here, and the next video I will discuss about this important properties about this joiner transformation. Okay, this all important properties. So this is how we can join the two different sources using joiner transformation. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.